Yeah. It really takes a lot of courage to become a better version of yourself. Okay? But if gusto, may paraan, 'di ba? So I do pick up that there is an energy right in here who is, yeah, pretty doing well, okay, sa pagbabago. Maaring pagbabago sa kanyang sarili. So let us see who is this person right in here. For some reason, I'm sensing a lot, like super daming sincerity coming from this person's energy. I don't know. I can't describe it. It's super daming sincerity. Kakaloka yan. Let me see who is this person here. Just take only what resonates, okay? Okay. Champion Kwaku. This person here has an embarrassing past. Okay? This person here, it looks like with this five of water energy, three of right in here, and the eight of wands. Okay, it looks like his or her past right in here is not someone to be proud of. This person here, it looks like his or her embarrassing or nakakahiyang past, no? Nagre-resurface ang mga memories ngayon or may mga situations na parang mini-mirror back ulit yung kanya ritong embarrassing past, no? And this person here is someone who's afraid, okay? Someone who's afraid right in here, no? Na bakit kung kailan with the Eight of Wands energy, gumaganda na ang inyo ritong connection? Gumaganda na, no? Ang takbo rito ng inyo rito, no? Na connection. Bakit ngayon pa naglalabasan yung kanyang nakakahiyang past? Yeah. But this person right in here gives me the vibe that with the Nine of Cups energy and the Seven of Cups right in here, namahagos pa. Eh, gusto niya talaga na makasama ka, manatili sa tabi mo rito. Okay? So, kung sino man itong person na to, no, like, definitely, this person here wants you to stay by his or her side. And mukhang natatakot siya rito, no, dahil baka biglang mag-twist yung mga pangyayari. And it looks like, no, na parang ang inyong samahan. Kaya natatakot siya eh, na kapag may mga magagandang bagay, na kapag ka parang, alam mo yung parang this person here almost counting his or her smiles every day at parang gusto niya na wag siyang sumobra rito sa pagiging masaya because parang ang kanyang pinaniniwalaan ay after nito siya'y luluha at magiging luhaan. So, kung sino man tong energy na to, no, we. Thursday pa lang ngayon, masyado naman yung kiniklaim ang throwback Thursday. Isaram. Okay, masyado siya rito nga, this person here, masyado siya rito nga dramatic today. Puwede ring nag-took ito ng leave or magli-leave ito at hindi papasok ngayon kung hindi pa siya pumapasok or ibang oras yung pasok niya, you know. Just take only what resonates, ha? But this person here is being dramatic right in here and very overwhelmed sa kanyang emotions and feelings. So before we dive more sa reading na ito, batiin muna natin everybody. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, returning Istam buyers. Thank you so much. Puyaters, thank you so much. And sa aking mga walang sawang ano dyan, mga bago, no? Thank you so much sa mga walang sawang tumututok. Thank you so much. And yun nga tayong gender dito by lalaki LGBT, pwede rin magkapalit, no? So just take only what resonates. And yes guys, okay, kung hindi nyo pa alam, may pa po tayo ni isa pang channel ang Dalnim, which means Goddess of the Moon in Korean. So doon, no, nag-upload din tayo ng collective readings for all signs there. Paano kayo makakapunta there? Ang link down below sa description box ng reading na ito. At syempre, timeless tayo dito, pwedeng nangyari na po sa iba, nangyayari na po sa iba, mangyayari pa lamang, no? Yeah, kaya medyo seryoso ako, umpisa pa lang, di ba? Napansin niyo hindi ako nag-react, no? Kasi super seryoso nitong person na to, no? Kasi tinatry ko i-figure out, no? What is this all about, no? And yun nga, it is his or her embarrassing past, no? Na parang ikaw ito na kwento ka ng kwento sa kanya about sa iyong mga nakaraan, history mo rito, no? But this person here, it looks like super less, very limited lang ang kinikwento niya sa'yo. So this could be an energy here of a new connection, but afraid to lose you. Okay? Natatakot kasi siya na kapagka sinabi niya yung kanyang nakaraan, baka lumayo ka, umiwas ka sa kanya, baka hindi mo na siya magustuhan dahil doon. Okay, so kung sino man 'tong tao na 'to, no, this person is admitting na meron siya ditong nakakahiyang past, 'no? Parang ayaw niyang ikuwento sa'yo kasi it might ruin your connection now. Okay, well, again, hindi naman natin siya rito masisisi, no? Kasi kung sino man itong energy na ito, this person here starts to entrust his or her heart to you. Okay? Nai-in love na kasi siya sa'yo rito, no? At yung iba mahal ka na niya. So this person do not want to lose you and you are the reason why he or she is smiling. Okay? But it looks like the past keeps on hunting him or her kasi mukhang may mga pangyayari ngayon na nire-reflect or mini-mirror back yung kanya ritong nakaraan. Okay? So, maaring ito yung dulot, no, ng ating nakaraang Mercury retrograde kasi medyo maraming years, no, yung parang katumbas ng mga pagre-resurface no, no. But you know, okay, let me be honest dito kasi sa lahat ng mga, di ba minsan binabanggit ko sa inyo, no, kapag ka nagbago na yung person o hindi, no, na lumabas sa reading, no, dito, iba yung nararamdaman ko. Nagbago itong person na to, but alam mo, I'm feeling some kind of heartache, okay, in my heart right now, no, idiomatically speaking. So, ibig sabihin, no, sa lahat ng mga nakita kong nagbago na mga ex ninyo or mga tao rito, no, na lumalabas sa reading ninyo, ang taong ito, okay, hindi ito yung ex mo, pero lubusan yung pagbabago niya to the point na ramdam na ramdam, no, pati ng puso ko rito. So, kung sino man 'tong energy na ito, this is a new connection who is afraid to lose you. This person here is not trying to hide anything sa'yo rito, no? But it looks like alam niya rin na kailangan niyang sabihin at ikwento ang niya kanyang nakaraan, no? Pero wala naman daw parang mga bagay na maipapakita siyang maipagmamalaki sa'yo sa kanyang nakaraan, no? Nakakahiya daw ang kanyang past, no? It doesn't mean that this person here did some kind of crime or did some kind of mistake na unforgivable, no? Hindi naman gano'n, no? Pero parang yung nakakahiya na meron siyang hindi magandang, everybody ay dumadaan sa hindi magandang past, okay? Because wala namang perfect, okay? So I do pick up that whoever this energy is, this person here, no, ganun niya dinidescribe ang kanyang nakaraan, no? Okay, others, iba-iba kung paano i-describe yung nakaraan, but this person here, no, perfectly pinili ang salitang embarrassing, no, nakakahiyang past, no. And this person here, three of fire energy to the moon, okay, gusto niya ritong i-get rid yung kanyang past sa kanyang new chapter na ginagawa ngayon. So talagang nagbabago at nagbago na talaga itong tao na 'to, 'no. Pero yun nga, 'no, nobody can't get rid of their past, 'no. Kaya nga ito past, 'no, it's already done, Okay? Pero ang maganda dun na what matters is that tapos na yun. Okay? If a person ay hindi narito gustong bumalik sa nakaraan na na past self niya or parang nakaraan bilang siya, okay, then this person here puwedeng hindi niya na yun gawin. But it looks like this person here 'no, hina-hunt siya ng kanyang past ngayon. Nasa-stuck siya ron, 8 of Air energy, sa mind niya yun yung iniisip niya rito 'no. Page of Air, this person is trying to look for ways or, maghanap rito ng paraan 'no, kung papaano niya rito malulusutan ito 'no, nang hindi siya nagdadagdag bawas 'no. Natatakot kasi siya na baka marinig mo yung hindi niya magandang nakaraan, kaya ayaw niya magkuwento rito kasi maaaring ikaw 'to na, "Oh, ikaw naman, ano yung nangyari sa'yo dati?" Ganyan, ganito 'no. And this person here, parang sasabihin ko yun sa'yo kapagka ready na ako, and then you respect it 'no. And I do pick up that everybody 'no, ay may chance 'no, depende na lang kung papaano nila yon na, you know, gagamitin, 'di ba? So it looks like this person here do not want to, hide this from you. Actually, this person do not want to lie to you. So this person here could be telling you, um, "사중해." Okay? Or parang, um tsaka na, 'yan 'no. Parang ikaw ito 'no na kahit na ondiyo pa yon or kailan pa yon 'no, okey lang 'no, basta kung ready na siya rito 'no. But it looks like hindi pa siya ready na ikuwento ito, but the past keeps on resurfacing na. Maaaring may mga taong involved sa kanyang embarrassing past na nagpapakita at nagsho-show up na ngayon 'no. And this person here 'no ay afraid na baka, um may taong dumating tapos kasama ka niya, and this embarrassing past ay maungkat 'no, hindi pa siya ready to tell you. It might ruin here 'no, you might kasi this person here wants to tell you that embarrassing past 'no, ng personal sa'yo, okay. So this person do not want someone na mag-intrude or pumasok dito, makialam, mag-interfere dito 'no. So may mga gano'n na situations 'no, kaya natatakot siya, okay. So I do pick up that this person here really formed a deep bond sa'yo kasi ikaw na yung laman ng puso niya. Bakit kung kailan nagmamahal na siya, eh, saka pa rito lumalabas ang kanyang nakaraan. I do pick up that you are someone who's very understanding, sweetheart. You also knew that you also had done something sa yung past, or maybe your past is also not perfect, okay? And you are someone here no na you know that this is a new person, that this person right in here, you are feeling his or her intentions are pure naman. So this is you are someone who wants to listen. You are someone here who wants to understand whatever that is, no? And it looks like you are not someone here who is close up. Kaya parang ano man yung maririnig mo sa kanyang nakaraan, alam mo na yun ay nakaraan. As long as gusto mong mag-move forward with this person here, no, you are like that. But this person is processing from the place of natatakot siya, scared. Okay? Because this person right in here ay taking care of this connection, Three of Water. Ngayon na gumaganda, everything is going well between you guys, and you're making memories na, you're creating moments na, no, you're having this kind of deep connection, no. Natatakot siya na baka mawala ka. Okay? So I think it's about time na pwede ka mag-reach out sa kanya, no, to talk things out. I will listen, I will try to understand, no? And if ikaw ito na handa ka na marinig yung kanyang nakaraan, ano man yun. Okay? Ikaw kasi ito na parang iniisip mo, "Miss yun, wala naman ako dun sa nakaraan niya na yun eh." At saka yung nakaraan niya na yun eh, maaaring pwedeng siya ay immature pa nun or hindi pa ganap yung kanyang pagiging mature sa kanyang pag-iisip noon eh. So may mga bagay na parang katanggap-tanggap 'no, yung magiging kasagutan, 'di ba? Lahat naman nagkakamali, 'di ba? So I do pick up that this is you. You are very understanding, sweetheart. Wala dito yung Queen of Cups, but I'm seeing it in my vision right now. So definitely, this person here kasi do not want to lose any opportunity with you. That's why he or she is afraid. But you can reach out sa kanya first. Kasi nakikita ko mas matapang ka sa kanya ngayon. You are someone here who is strong and not afraid. Okay? Because you are someone here very understanding. This person feels a lot of comfort sa'yo. And I do pick up that you surely understand what is that, no? I will try to, guys, no, to tell you na, yeah, it might not be something here, no, na para sa inyo ay mababaw lang yun, pero para sa taong to, no, mabigat yun. Okay? That's why ginamit niya yung word na embarrassing past, no? However, okay, nakikita ko dito na, pwede na nating tanggalin na, hindi yun isang klase ng crime, na hindi siya dito nakatsugi ng person, Hindi rin siya rito 'no, parte ng mga illegal na mga bagay, wala naman akong nakikitang gano'n, pero iba yung kanya ritong sinasabi sa kanyang embarrassing past. More likely, it's something here personal. Maybe a family issue here is involved or maybe meron siya ritong parang nagawa before na naiisip niya it's too much, okay, for someone to bear. So I think you are a good listener right in here and you will understand, okay? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, for the initials writing here, yes, we have R, I, M, A, N, J, B, K, G, and last but not least, we've got the letter S. By the way, wala akong binanggit doon na capital letters or what, no? Yeah, just take only what resonates, okay? So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, honey. Again, I'm Mariana Ani, Sarang Hail of Enlightened. Annyeong.